All right. Hey, welcome everybody. I just wanted to take a second to make a video. We've had so many requests, and to be honest, I've gotten so many calls, I'm not even able to get back in touch with everyone. So I wanted to make this video to make it real easy to know more about version 9. Why should I upgrade to version 9? What is version 9? And try to answer some of the common questions that I'm getting so that you can be more informed. And if you're not on version 9, why it's a good time to go ahead and get on version 9. And so I'm also going to be updating the website with version 9. So I'll have all this information. If you don't like to read a lot, then, just watch this video. I should be able to get everything covered in this one video. With that said, version 9, it is out. It's here. It's ready. We've gotten most of the pre-queue, the list done. And so it's fully implemented in. You can have confidence knowing that it's ready to go. It's live. It's been going in source for a while now. What enhancements? Why should I do version 9? That's what I want to cover first. The first one is auto updates, right? No more loading the CDs all the time. So no more loading the updates. This version automatically updates every week. So you don't have to worry about loading the CD or what we're about to go to with the little memory card readers. You're not going to have to do that with version 9. It automatically updates. Remote access. Remote access is now built in. So you don't have to buy a third-party software. If you're doing remote manager, you don't have to remote manager renewals, which those remote manager renewals, I'm trying to call everyone. Those have gone up a lot. And so no need for that anymore, though. With version 9, remote access is built in. You get to use it on the go, whether you're in a hotel, at home. You can do ordering, receiving, things that you couldn't do with remote manager, you can actually do with the remote access in version 9. Enhancements. We have added so many enhancements, a lot of little enhancements, some big enhancements with version 9. We've added, I think, 3 new features that I can think of right off the bat. We have a new feature where you can round up the change. That'll automatically, let me take this off. I don't need that. It'll round up the change automatically. So let's say there was 80 cents to the next dollar. You can ask if they want to donate that to a good cause, whether it be, a church, a GoFundMe, whatever it is. So that's a donation feature that we've added. We've added a duplication feature in IVM so that you can actually hit a button and it'll create a duplicate of all the data there. And then you can just change the little information that needs to change. And then anniversary and birth dates. We've made a change where either upcoming or ones that have just taken place, it'll let you know that they just had a special day so that you can let them know, hey, happy birthday, happy anniversary, whatever that happens to be. So lots of new enhancements in version 8. That's just some of the little enhancements that have come out of our weekly Wake Up Wednesdays. If you're not watching those, make sure to tune in every Wednesday at 10 o'clock Central in the morning. John and I go through and cover content, just a lot of different stuff, but tune into that. So we talked about auto updates. If you're, a Months or Parable store, those catalogs are automatically going to be loaded into your system. All you got to do is run the file. You don't have to download anything. Cloud support, big one, cloud support. You can either run full cloud or hybrid cloud. If you're running full cloud, then everything's in the cloud. Your backups in the cloud. Everything's in the cloud. We actually recommend running our hybrid system, which means we will still supply a lot of the information like images, samples, things like that from the database. They no longer get put on your server or your computer, so it's going to take up less of your hard drive space. We recommend doing that because if your internet goes down, your store is not down. And so that's the recommended. You can still run cloud. If you run full cloud, there will be an additional fee because there's some hosting that is required. So just know that. The other thing is version 8 is frozen. Okay, so version 8 is frozen right now. And so what that means is we're still doing updates to it as far as database updates, bug fixes. We're not going to leave any software broke or anything like that. But it is time. We're trying to get everybody to version 8. It is time. You can purchase version 8 on our website. I'm going to cover that in a little bit. So it is a good time to update to version 9. We do recommend all stores updating to version 9. And that brings me to, we get a lot of questions asked. And so I'm going to go over kind of some of the most commonly asked questions. The first one is, what do I need to do to retrain my staff? The good thing is you don't have to retrain your staff. We've tried to keep all of the content the same. The look is it's a lot newer of a look. So it's going to look a little different, but as far as finding the fields, all the fields are going to be there. It's just going to look nicer. Okay. And so no retraining needed. Do I need to change out my computer hardware? You should not have to. However, if you're using a dinosaur of a computer, you have one of those Windows XP machines from 11 years ago that's still running. That is going to have to be upgraded. But as long as you're running Windows 7, 64-bit or higher, you should be good to go. You shouldn't have to update any of the peripherals. If you have one of those old Axiom printers, you will need to upgrade to a Star. We haven't sold those in about 12 or 13 years, so you probably are not running those. So if you're using a Star printer, your receipt printer, your scan gun, all that stuff's going to work, your Zebra. So it should not require any hardware changes or anything like that. How much downtime do you need to plan on? None. We actually install remote software, so no downtime. No downtime is required. We typically do that like on a Sunday evening or a Monday night, a day that you're closed. If you're open 7 days a week, we'll figure that out, and not a big deal. But no downtime. We do it remotely overnight, so that when you come in on a Monday morning or whenever your first day of business is for the week, you'll be ready to go. And again, no retraining required. Okay. Let's see. The other one is okay. I like it. It's version 9. I'm ready to buy. How do I do it? I will provide a link. You can go to bookstoremanager.com, click on the order supplies button, click on the version 9 upgrade. And when you click on that, just check out. Once you finish that checkout, then you'll actually get a questionnaire in the next 48 hours to fill out, just to answer questions about your store, when you're open, when you're closed, things like that. And then you'll get a call from a technician to install remote software so that you don't have to be at the store when we do the conversion. That way you just come in and you're ready to go. Um, and so, yeah, here's version 9. It's there. It's great. People love it. Go ahead and upgrade today. If you have okay, here's the last question. I still have more questions. Who do I call? Not the Ghostbusters. Call me. Call Steven. 1-800-997-6724, option 1. And I'll be glad to answer any questions I may not have covered in here. Maybe you want a little more information. Maybe you want to see version 9. Hey, that's what I'm here for. Reach out, contact me. But hey, upgrade today. You need to be on version 9 for things that are coming and things that are already in the software. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to Bookstore Manager. Remember, we are a head for your business and a heart for your ministry. Thank you so much for choosing Bookstore Manager.